Today we're going to find a substitute for OneKnob PUMPER, this one in this piano. It's a fantastic plugin, but we need to get rid of it. So we're going to insert a compressor last in the chain. For now we are going to leave it there. We're going then to go and create a kick track, or we're going to copy the kick track. Let's see. Kick track is not constant, so we can just copy a piece of it and use it as our trigger. Create a new track, stereo track, paste the kick because it was a stereo kick, and well, we are now copying it around the song, but we are not sure yet if it's pumping at the same, if it's pumping together with the song. Let's see, let's take a look at the, okay, we select the output, we select a boss. Okay, this track comes with automation information that we're going to get rid of. So we select a boss, and boss 1, we rename it if you want. Okay, the kick is not pumping on time, so we are going to get rid of it, and or most of it, and we're going to make it pump in time. For that we select the tempo tool, and we reduce the clip at half. Now we can see that is in the meter that is pumping on time. Now we select the same boss we use as a output of the kick track, and adjust the compressor. We're going to rename it, by the way, to sidechain. Select the sidechain tip in the compressor, and there you go. Adjust gain, adjust attack and release to make it pump the way you want. We're going to compare it with the original. See, the original has an attack that we're going to try to reproduce with longer attack here. Long. There you go.